Hello everyone. Today we would like to present you about an analysis of truss structure, which is determination of maximum loading inside the truss and how to reduce the maximum loading. First, roof trusses are regarded as a building's most major element and vital technical system. They provide an important purpose, and their design is influenced by a variety of circumstances which specialized often deciding what is acceptable. A truss is constructed out of a web triangles that are connected together to distribute weight evenly and handle shifting tension and compression without bending or shearing. When compared to other shapes that require the corner of joints must be secured to prevent shearing, the triangle is geometrically stable. Besides that, when there are no supporting walls, trusses are used. Spacing of trusses depends on the load, span, and material. In this assignment, we choose the double roof truss. This truss consists of an upper and lower chord, and it has a combination of steel and wood, which makes it elegant while also offering a very appealing design. In the fact that it has a very wide span, as it can cover anything from 6 meter to 30 meter There are many parts from this roof truss, which is we have apex, nail plate, top card, webs runner, BC runner, heels, overhang, wall plate, bottom chord, bordering, spiles, joints. Together with all of these parts, it can make a wider span, and it has a very strong structure.
Roof truss, advantages and disadvantages. First of all, we have a look on advantages. Number 1, accuracy and quality. The trusses are built and assembled at the manufacturer's premises, then transported to your construction site. A crane is then used to lay the frame onto your structure, after which other fastenings will be added. Since most of the activities are computerized, there are minimal changes for mistakes or wrong calibrations. Number 2, cost effective. Buying and installing wooden roof trusses is cheaper compared to other alternatives such as lumber or steel. Moreover, since a crane is used to fix the roof, you will spend less on labor costs compared to what you would have spent using roof truss. Number 3, speedy installation. With roof trusses, the installation of your frame for the roof can be a day's work. All the assembling is done before required day, and all that remains is to mount the roof onto your structure and fasten it. Lastly, customizable. There is no standard when it comes to roof truss. Okay, now we have a look on disadvantages. There is 2 disadvantages, which is roof trusses have a series of supporting members that limit the use of attic space, and large trusses require a crane.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Zainuddin, and here we got an application that called Trust Me. This application can be downloaded from Play Store or App Store, and this application we can design a bridge of a roof, and as you can see, this is a design of a roof. The left side is an original design of the roof, and the right side is the modified design of the roof. And we can see that the structure mass of the original design is 125.1 kg, and the modified design structure mass is 92.1 kg. We can see the difference from the original and the modified design. This is because we increase the height of the design and it reduce the structure mass. We increase the height from 2.98 to 4.0 and it has reduced the structure mass to 92.1 kg. So we already reached the percentage to reduce the maximum load, which is 20%.
For the conclusion of our report, we have analysed the loading of the double hull roof we have achieved in order to reduce the maximum load and increment weight by 20% and 22%. Firstly, we set the original structure with central vertical post of 2.98 meter height and span length of 10 meter. And for the modification of the structure, we have increased the central vertical post to 4 meter, while the span length was remained unchanged. As a result, we managed to reduce the maximum force of the structure from 14,025.2 Newton to 11,123.1 Newton. The modification outcome that overall force on the truss was decreased. We conclude that the height had influenced the force acting on the force member. We are successful modify the original structure and achieve the target of the maximum loading to be reduced on the truss members, which is 20%.